What's good, YouTube? This Country Trading back with you another video, and this is another week video of how I did, the news, and my outlook with Nas. So let's not even try to go through all the bull crap. Let's just get straight into the video. All right, here's my update with Topstep. Topstep, I am up right now 1,400 towards my $3,000 goal. So I am getting there. I'm getting there slowly but surely, following my plan. And this past week, I got up almost $300 up from last week. So I'm making steady. I had a couple bad losses, but not too bad. But it was okay. And here's come my equity curve for the so far. I had that big win. It has been grinding on. It's been grinding there ever since then, because I've been just taking trades that I see fit. But I did a couple trades last week. I did question about, because on Tuesday I didn't really follow my plan to the T for my first couple trades. But if you want to see that, with the trades I took, I have a video out now for all the trades I took for the week. So you will see how I got to my point. I got 2 weeks worth of that. So y'all check them out. I'll pin the videos up in this video. So, but let's keep it moving. Here's my winning trade average. How many winning trades percentage was 58% so far, and my Lucas trades is 82. So as y'all can see, is my wins are almost double as my losses. So that's even better. As you can see, 2-to-1 risk ratio. So I've been trying to extend my wins, my runners longer to help out my wins. And that's basically what's been going on. My runners tax out more than the one-to-one I normally get. So yeah, and here goes some more other stacks. But yeah, that's my Topstep update. So far going good. Just follow my plan and everything's going well. As long as I follow my plan, going well. And like I said, it's another video that I got every trade I took. Y'all can check that out. So let's move on to the news. This is it for me with Topstep. All right, here's some of the news. We got a pretty impactful news week, so y'all should be careful. And let me show y'all what type of news we got this week. For Monday ain't no news. And that's basically, if you want to take a day off, Monday be the day off, because I normally don't, like, as you're looking at lately, I be so busy on Mondays, and Monday's been ranging for the past 2 weeks. So I haven't been trading on Mondays. So if you trade Monday, just be careful, because the market haven't moved for the past 2 Mondays so far. But just follow your plan. But Tuesday, we have CPI, so be very careful. CPI could change the whole landscape of your trading, whatever you trade. So just after CPI, don't trade CPI, trade after. That's what I do. So after the news is done with, then you check. But as of lately, with the past couple months of CPI been screwing up the whole market. I barely couldn't find a trade, because it's always the market be one-sided so far. So if market don't get one-sided with CPI, hey, you might have a trade opportunity. I never had one when it comes with CPI, but and you got the 10-year bond option at 1 o'clock the same day on Tuesday. So everything is starting to also. I'll talk about that when I talk about NAS, but you got the bond option on Tuesday, so be careful with that. Then Wednesday we have the 30-year bond option, so be careful of that. That's also at 1 o'clock, so be careful of that. Thursday you got more. You got PPI and retail sales and unemployed claims on Thursday, all at 8:30. So they all gonna be fighting each other. We're gonna see what the market gonna lean towards. It depends on how the market reacts to it. So you just go off what the market does and let the market present what you need. Then Friday we have the Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30, and we got the sentiment at 10 o'clock. And that's the end of your week of the news. So we got a lot of red folders this week. So be careful in the markets and just follow your plan. So let's move on to my NAS outlook for the week. All right, let's look at NAS, and And what has been on for the past week? Last week, Nas was in a down, went down 2 candles on Monday and Tuesday. Then Wednesday and Thursday, it basically bounced back up. And Friday, it broke all-time highs and then sold off for the rest of the day. That's what Friday, that was last week was. So on the weekly candle, we say it was a down week. Over, that's basically what it was last week, a down week. So, and that's basically what Nas did last week. Let's go back to the daily chart. On the daily, I'm looking at prices to continue selling, because right now some of the stocks are up too high, especially with Nvidia. That stock was up to almost popped off to $1,000 a share. So I'd see they need to, though, as it's an expensive stock to buy at this moment. So I feel like some of these companies gonna try to start selling off their stocks when they're gonna drive Nas down a little bit until they find a nice sweet spot. How far down I think Nas gonna go, I don't know, but I could be completely wrong, and Nas could just shoot up and break all-time highs again and keep shooting up and shooting up and shooting up. I don't know when it's gonna stop shooting up. So basically, I don't know. I'm just gonna take what the market gives me. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Anything. I know what my strategy is. My strategy is not looking for taking the whole move. My strategy is, the majority of my moves want to get 20 points, and I'm out with my 4 contracts and leaving one runner, and that's it. And let my runner decide how much profit I get. The other 4 just gives off. I'm just go about my day, because I'm not trying to figure out predict where the next market thing gonna go at. But as I'm looking at this, I would like to see Nas sell off a little bit more before it decides to go back up again. That's what I want to see. Is that gonna happen? Probably not. Probably so. I don't know. But I'm just gonna take what the market gives me. And right now, we looking at, do I feel like we could take our all-time highs again? Yes. But I feel like we could drop all the way down to Kingdom Come? Yes. So right now, I'm just playing what the market gives me. I'm not on the fence of, now I'm not to the fence of buy or sell. Like, I'm on it to the fence of, if we'll just sell up, get me 20 points. That's it. Nas moves so fast that you'll get 20 points in a couple minutes. So that's basically what I look at it towards. I don't care if we're selling off. I don't care if we're shooting up to the moon. If it comes to my zone and it works with my setup, can I get 20 points? That's it. I'm not looking to catch, I'm going to go to the moon, or I'm going to go down to Kingdom Come. No. So that's what I look at it as. But that's how I see with Nas. I want it to come down more before I start buying up again. But I don't know I'm going to get it. But I'm just going to get what I could get. But so far, that's all I have for Nas, is just play it safe. We don't know where it's going or what it's acting at. But does it line up with your setup? That's what you need to make sure of. Does it last with your setup? But that's all I got. Catch y'all next week. Deuces.